These fake lesbians have been taking up my freezer space, so I'm gonna have them all now. Well, actually, that's quite a lot. These are the Tesco's ones. These are the little ones, which we found out that, hold on, let me work and eat. They crack the same. They taste the same. Where do I find the supply number? What's the supply number? They all break like that. It even has the same word on it. Butter keks. And this one, butter keks. Exactly the same. But at least the original lesbians, their ones actually say Choco lesbian. These guys, what I noticed they did was, you see how there's 3 different boats, but the same 3 different. They each picked a different boat on their packaging to make it look different. Mm. Mm. Guys, I'm in a chocolatey mood, so I'm gonna have them all. I'll save one so that when I have the 2 last chunky lesbians in the freezer, I'll put that in with the chunky lesbians, and then I can compare if I prefer OG lesbians, well, fake OG lesbians, or the new chunky ones. Or should I save 2? But I can't see any supply number on it, guys. I'm going to save these 2 with the chunky lesbians that are in the freezer, and then I'm going to compare the both the next time. What do you think I prefer? I may as well call these the OG ones because they're identical, but we can call them the fake OGs, whatever floats your boat. It is 7:45 right now. I hope you're having a good evening, and I will speak to you hopefully tomorrow.